Hurricanes often begin with warm seawater evaporating, fueling the lower atmosphere. This humid air mass rises as converging winds collide and turn upwards. As air ascends, water vapor condenses into clouds, releasing heat that warms the air. This rising air draws in even warmer, moist air from the surface, fueling the cycle. As long as the system stays over warm water, it strengthens, drawing in more heat and water. The central pressure drops, increasing wind speeds, intensifying the storm. A tropical storm becomes a hurricane when winds reach 74 mph or more. Warmer oceans provide more energy, leading to stronger, rapidly intensifying storms. Recent studies link ocean temperatures to storm intensity. Warmer waters mean stronger storms. Key ingredients for storm formation: a weather disturbance and warm ocean waters.